Alright, we're out here on the lake. First time with the kayak with the new fish finder setup. We are trolling. I'm pretty close to home today. It's a pretty popular lake. I don't like fishing where everyone else goes, but it's just been so long since I've caught a fish. I just need to catch something. They stock this lake pretty regularly, so I'm hoping that helps. Just to catch something, you know. Sometimes you just gotta catch something. I figured trolling is the best way to cover the most water and find some fish. I fished this like a handful of times, never from a kayak though. I'm just gonna kind of see how it goes. I'm in 30 feet right here. 13, it's coming up a little bit. I wonder if I should find some shallower water. That might be a fish. Oh my god. I hope I'm recording. Oh, he shook it. Alright, well, there was a fish. Alright. Let's bait back up and get back down there. I'm glad to know trolling isn't a stupid idea. At least if it is. That fish didn't mind. Jesus, birds are loud. We are casting now. Got this little bay here. So I threw on a white spinner. And we're standing up and we are casting around. Oh, he hit it. There he is. Yeah. Whoa! Jeez. Easy. Come here. My net's too short. Yeah! Yes! First fish on the new kayak. Let's go! Alright. Shit. I'll deal with that after. Always heard you should wet your hands. Dude. Look at this fish. Slimy bugger. Look at that. Beautiful rainbow. Beautiful. Don't get the thumbnail shot. It's okay. Beautiful. Yes. Alright, let's get him back. Just relax. Going back in. Okay, you don't need to go back in the net. There he goes. Clean rigs. Clean. Yes! Caught a fish. 100% of the time, catching fish is better than not catching fish. I'm tied back up. I got a pink number 0 MEP spinner. I've been you guys see this? I want to actually bite it. That was insane. I was seeing fish, I was seeing them jump, and then just then, what you guys saw, hopefully saw, was like 4 or 5 of them just taking turns swiping at my lure. None of them bit it hard enough to actually get a hook, but that was kind of freaking cool. Just don't know where the big one's at. Oh my God, that's a big fish. That was a big fish. Got something. I'm gonna kind of just pick him up because I don't want to get my net all messed up. All right. Don't hook me, please. I don't think this is the big one that I saw. Oh, this one looks freaking cool. What's going on here? Maybe it is. It's hard to tell. I don't think so. How big of spots he has. Very cool. All right, will you relax? You're going in the back in the water. You're going back. All right. Well, I think that proves, at least to myself, that spoon is not too big. Wow. So I'm looking at my spoon just as it hangs in the water. All right. Well, I think I've got something figured out now. Just had on a new spoon, and I've got some fish looking at it. That one's a little bigger. Got one. Here we go. A little bit. Okay. All right. Relax. I'd say the new spoon so far is a success. All right. Chill. Get off there. Come on. He goes. Gonna hang out with his friend. Right. Dude, another follow. I'm liking this spoon. I like the size of it. It's a little bit smaller. It's got big flash, but not so big that it's hard for them to bite it or whatever, you know? Got one. All right. There's two of them there. Oh, you shook it. That's all right. Hey, that was cool. Might be time to move on. The fish seem to have moved on. Might be time for me to as well. Oh, I'm just gonna scout around, probably just go around the corner, see what I see. Alright, we're back at the bay where I caught all the other fish. I went scouting around a little bit just to see if anything looked good. Nothing really looked this good. This kind of like grassy, weedy, mossy, or not mossy, but it's kind of grassy bottom. I didn't really find anywhere else, but I definitely like this a lot better than what I found out there. It's just a lot of like mud bottom from what I could see out there, and give this a good honest effort, and then probably move along. I mean, I caught more fish here today than I have at any other time when I fish this lake, so that's pretty cool. Other times I fished this lake, I was either ice fishing or just fishing from shore. Oh, there's one. Oh, that was a big one, and he hooked my shirt in the back, right where I can't reach. Okay, dude, that was a bigger fish. I think that was the bigger fish that I was seeing before. Just spit it. That'll do her, folks. Well, I caught fish. Put fish on the new boat. Fish finder works. Not bad. Well, yeah, I'm gonna head out of here. Thank you all for watching. I will see you on the next one. Peace.